In today's rapidly evolving financial landscape, one of the world's largest banks, with approximately $1.9 trillion in assets, recognized the need to invest in its most valuable resource, its people. The bank faced two key challenges. Firstly, equipping campus hires with the skills to become desk-ready. Secondly, preparing senior management to lead a diverse millennial workforce. They partnered with Silverbrook to design and implement a comprehensive learning roadmap. This included a banking business acumen, BBA, learning path for campus hires, and a leadership development program for senior management. The BBA program was customized to develop an in-depth understanding of financial markets, banking types, and product offerings. It also covered payment systems and their connection to cash management, as well as how trade finance products facilitate global business. The Leader Learning Path focused on key areas such as multipliers, amplifying the smarts within teams, leading a multi-generational workforce, specifically managing millennials, analytical and critical thinking, sharpening problem-solving skills, original thinking, developing the ability to address complex situations effectively, enterprise-wide thinking, applying limited resources strategically for the best results. The learning path also included strategies and tactics to capitalize on the strengths of millennial employees. The results were significant. Leaders demonstrated improved problem-solving skills and the ability to handle critical situations more effectively. The work environment became more cordial, leading to increased productivity for both leaders and campus hires. The course received an average rating of 4.8 out of 5 from delegates. The client was delighted with the association with Silverbrook and the specially designed learning intervention. Further iterations are planned across regions. By investing in targeted learning solutions, the bank not only equipped its employees with the skills they needed to succeed, but also fostered a more positive and productive work environment. Contact Silverbrook today to discover how we can help your organization transform its talent and achieve its business goals.